Question, how do hay bales become fresh?
Fresh?
How do they make hay bales?
Well, they grow.
They're dried.
Yeah.
Yeah, they're grown.
Hay is like really tall grass. And then when they cut it, and they put it in bunches,
Yeah, they're rolls of hay.
So,
bales of hay.
The fresh ones were the ones, that are just cut and put together. Okay.
I'm here today with my anonymous student and my podcast producer.
Hello.
Okay, did you know that conversational language is a whole different thing than academic language? That's why what sounds right might not be the best way to answer grammar questions or tests or fix grammar on essays. Sometimes it works, but what works consistently is knowing grammar. So before I break this down for you, let me explain a little bit further. I had bad grammar my whole life. So I get it. Once I separated my conversational language from academic language, the language that I read at school, it really helped me. My dialect comes from my background of having conversations, but the language of my essays, the words I choose, the structure of my sentences need to make sense in a different world, an academic world. So here I uncover grammar issues tip by tip, mining scholarly gold bit by bit.
Oh my goodness, gold!
Before we get into simple tips though, please like, share, or comment for more videos like this one. Today we're focusing on meme number 3. First tip is on punctuation. Use a colon to describe in detail what was previously mentioned. To the left of the colon, there must be a complete sentence. The barn was larger than a church. That's a complete sentence. To the right, there will be specific details about the general topic, in this case, the barn. So in the meme, it says, on one side, fresh hay bales were stacked to the roof. And it goes on, etc., etc.
The roof?
That high, yes. A colon is used before describing something in more detail. Check out my video for meme number 1, which also explains colon use. Now for other punctuation, in compound sentences, place a comma before a coordinating conjunction, aka fanboys. Fanboys are for, and, nor, but, or, yet, and so. This applies when the phrase after the fanboys is a completely different thought, like a compound sentences with 2 complete thoughts. Fresh hay bales were stacked to the roof and chicken coops lined the entire other wall. So, those are some pretty loud chickens. So hay bales are a completely different thought than chicken coops. This last punctuation tip might seem elementary, but it needs to be said. Use a period to complete the sentence, or else it may run into another thought that could completely change its meaning.
Period.
Period. Thank you. The farmer said, I'm giving up.
Anya.
Period. With a period, he would have been whistling until the end of the year. So if you want to hear about more tips like these, just take a look at my channel to learn how to get rid of that common fool's gold, because you are so much more than common.